Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Yeah, explain, please explain.
So this is the biochar, sir, produced from
Bamboo.
So these are all I want this tapioca.
So these are some of the varieties which you have used.
These are Necro Eurobitan.
Diversities for horticulture crops and हल्दी सर ये हमारा हल्दी वर्ल्ड फेमस है और इसका अलग से मिशन चल रहा है मिशन इसमें में 12% हमारा कर्टिंग होता है 10 से 12%
Ka ICAR Research Complex for Northeastern Hill Region Umyam haga khandai tarik ukalalangkot arjar arpusan kala rakhi ya ke Jubilee Ksir. Haga ni kesengi ulat ke jela u Chandrasekhar H. Vijaya Shankar ubalalong kumukongsan ula pli pajba ya ke Farmers Expo harangkat ke jingsaki langjong Menteri Rangba ke jela u Conrad K. Sangma u Menteri ke Sarkar Pedang Wakmi ya ke Tenat Agriculture and Farmers Welfare u Shivraj Singh Chauhan, ka Menteri Jong Sarkar Jilla ka Bakmi Yakatnat Agriculture and Farmers Welfare ka Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo, u Director General ka ICAR but Secretary ka Department of Agriculture Research and Education ka Sarkar India u Dr. Himanshu Pathak, u Chief Secretary ka Jilla u ba DP Walang, u Deputy Director Natural Resource Management ICAR New Delhi u Dr. Suresh Kumar Chowdhury, But u Director jangka ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region Umyam u Dr. VK Mishra but QA.
Second book is technologies that have been developed by the ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region to transform the rural livelihood among the NEH farmers.
Government of India has launched many schemes such as PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, Kusum Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, Oilseed Mission, National Livestock Mission, National Agriculture Market, and many more have brought tremendous benefit to the farmers of our nation and transforming Indian agriculture into a globally competitive sector. Our Honorable Agriculture Minister, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji, deserves special praise for his relentless effort in implementing these initiatives throughout the country. I would like to request for his special attention and focus overall development of agriculture and allied sector in Meghalaya as well as Northeast region. I also appreciate our young and dynamic Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma, for his exemplary leadership in prioritizing the agriculture sector and well-being of farming communities. Agriculture lies at the heart of Indians' culture and economy. Because Bharat is being called as Krishi Pradhan Desh, and our farmers are the backbone of the nation. Ensuring food security for over 1.4 billion people, ICAR has been at the forefront of experimenting and implementing the needful wisdom in the field of agriculture. I would like to congratulate ICAR, NEHR on the Golden Jubilee celebration for its establishment in 1975. During this half century, ICAR has worked tirelessly to improve agriculture practices, develop sustainable farming system, and enhance livestock productions in this region. The Institute's contribution, such as the development of improved crop varieties, livestock breeds, and integrated farming system, have made a significant impact on the lives of the people of this region. The traditional integrated farming system of Northeast, which combine crops, livestock, fish and forestry, have proven to be sustainable. We must modernize and scale this system, incorporating innovation in agroecology, organic farming and biotechnology to ensure long-term sustainability.
ICAR के उत्तर पूर्वी पर्वतीय क्षेत्र अनुसंधान परिसर 50 वर्ष पूरे हुए हैं और 50 साल का हमारा सफर गौरव से भरा हुआ है, गर्व से भरा हुआ। मैं आप सबको बधाई देता हूं। और वैसे भी मेघालय का मतलब है बादलों का घर, लेकिन आज मेघ हमें ज्यादा दिखाई दिए गुवाहाटी में। और मौसम के प्रतिकूलता के कारण हमारे राष्ट्र की गौरव महामहिम राष्ट्रपति परम आदरणीय महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी नहीं आ पाई, लेकिन उनका शुभकामना संदेश हमें संबल देगा। संगमा जी, आज मुझे एक गाना याद आ रहा था हिंदी फिल्म का, मेघालय की खूबसूरती देखती, यहाँ के पर्वतों की श्रृंखलाएं, यहाँ के हरे भरे पेड़, यहाँ की वनस्पतियां, यहाँ के झरने, यहाँ की जलवायु, यहाँ की हवाएं और यहाँ के सहज सरल सज्जन भोले भाले लोग, भाई बहन, तो गीत दिल से निकलता, दिल करे रुक जा रे रुक जा रे रुक जा, तू यहीं पे कहीं, जो बात इस जगह है कहीं। अद्भुत मेघालय और अद्भुत है अपना नॉर्थ ईस्ट। सचमुच में हमें गर्व है। यहाँ जन संपदा, जल संपदा, वन संपदा, बायोडाइवर्सिटी तो खजाना है। और आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि फूड का हब बन सकता है, वेजिटेबल का हब बन सकता है, औषधियों का हब बन सकता है। अब हमने तो कुछ स्टॉल देख पाए, नॉर्थ ईस्ट की चिली देख के ही मैं हैरान था। कोई लंबी, कोई बहुत छोटी, कोई तीखी और कोई रंगीन, ऐसी वैरायटी मैंने कहीं नहीं देखी। अलग अलग फल और सब्जियां, यहाँ का अनानास, यहाँ के संतरे, यहाँ के केला और यहाँ का जिंजर, हल्दी हो या बाकी कंद हो, सचमुच में अद्भुत है। सुपारी भी है, लेकिन पाठक की सुपारी संकट में। अभी मुझे दिखाया संगमा जी, मैं सच कह रहा हूं, केवल भाषण के लिए नहीं कह रहा हूं। नॉर्थ ईस्ट मेघालय पूरे हिंदुस्तान को फल और सब्जियों की आपूर्ति कर सकता है अगर हम ठीक दिशा ले पाए। और फूलों की तो बहार है। यहाँ की जलवायु, यहाँ का मौसम, आर्किड हमने देखे। संगमा जी का दर्द सही था कि जब देश को जरूरत पड़ती है तो दूसरे देशों से फूल आ जाते हैं, लेकिन अपने फूलों जैसी बात और कहा। और इसलिए आईसीआर की पूरी टीम को बधाई देते हुए आज स्वामीनाथन जी को भी मैं प्रणाम करता हूं, जिनकी प्रेरणा से इंस्टीट्यूट की स्थापना।
A great honor and a privilege to join you today at the ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region Umya as we celebrate 50 years of dedicated service to the northeastern states of India. Since its inception in 1975, this institution has been a torchbearer of agriculture, innovation, addressing the unique challenges of our region, and ICAR has developed over 100 crop varieties, introduced high-yielding livestock breeds, and promoted sustainable practices such as integrated and organic farming. These efforts have enhanced food security, conserved biodiversity, and empowered farmers with cutting-edge technologies. The global recognition of ICAR's integrated organic farming system models further underscores its leadership in sustainable agriculture and rural development. On this momentous occasion, I commend the outstanding contributions of ICAR's scientists, researchers, and staff. Through innovative solutions like the integrated organic farming systems, you have empowered farmers, enhanced rural livelihoods, and paved the way for entrepreneurship among our youth. Your dedication has reshaped the agriculture landscape of the Northeast, and for that we are deeply grateful to each and every one of you. I also would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji, the Honorable Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, for his unwavering support in transforming agriculture in the region. Programs like Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, and PM Kisan have been instrumental in equipping farmers with better inputs, technologies, and access to markets. These initiatives have laid the foundation for Meghalaya and the entire Northeast agricultural renaissance. Honorable Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji, I also take this opportunity personally to thank you for having visited the ICAR complex today and for all the support that you have been giving to the state of Meghalaya.